Debt. It's a word that can make your stomach churn. Many people face it. Credit card bills, student loans, car payments, they pile up. We've all been there, feeling the pressure. Imagine this. You work hard, but your money disappears, paycheck to paycheck, never getting ahead. This is the reality for millions trapped in a cycle of debt. But there's hope. You can break free and take control of your finances. Debt is more than numbers on a page. It's emotional. The stress keeps you up at night. It strains relationships and steals your joy. Debt whispers doubts. Can you ever get ahead? The answer is yes. You are not alone in this fight. Millions have conquered debt and found financial peace. It takes courage, but you can do it too. The ultimate tool for debt repayment is a budget. Simple, right? But incredibly powerful. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. It gives you control. You tell your money where to go instead of the other way around. With a budget, you'll see where your money goes. You'll identify areas to cut back and find extra cash to pay off debt faster. Section 4. Building your budget, step by step. In this section, we will guide you through the essential steps to create a budget that works for you. Whether you're new to budgeting or looking to refine your approach, these steps will help you take control of your finances. Creating a budget is easy. It might seem daunting at first, but with a systematic approach, you'll find it straightforward and even enjoyable. The key is to break it down into manageable steps. Start by tracking your spending. For 1 month, write down every single dollar you spend. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and help you identify areas where you can cut back. Write down every dollar you spend for a month. This includes everything from your morning coffee to your utility bills. No expense is too small to track. This step is crucial for understanding your spending habits. Next, list all your income. This includes your salary, any side hustles, and other sources of income. Knowing your total income will help you create a realistic budget. Now, the fun part, create spending categories. Housing, food, transportation, be specific. Think about all the areas where you spend money and create categories for each. This will help you see where your money is going and where you can make adjustments. Allocate money to each category. Based on your income and spending habits, decide how much money to allocate to each category. Be realistic but also challenge yourself to cut back where possible. This is where you make choices. You might need to adjust your spending in some areas to make sure you stay within your budget. Remember, the goal is to create a budget that works for you and helps you achieve your financial goals. Be realistic but challenge yourself to cut back. Remember, this is temporary. The goal is to free up cash to crush that debt. By making small sacrifices now, you can achieve financial freedom in the future. The goal is to free up cash to crush that debt. Stay committed to your budget and you'll see the rewards. Financial freedom is within your reach and it all starts with a solid budget. Section 5. The Power of a Plan, Real Stories of Success. Countless people have used a budget to conquer their debt. It's not just about numbers, it's about taking control of your life and your future. A budget is a powerful tool that can transform your financial situation and bring peace of mind. Take Sarah, a single mom drowning in credit card debt. She felt hopeless, overwhelmed by the mounting bills and the constant stress of not knowing how she would make ends meet. Her situation seemed dire and she didn't know where to turn. Then, she created a budget. It wasn't easy at first, but she took the time to list all her expenses and income. She tracked every dollar and made a plan to tackle her debt step by step. She cut back on eating out, which was a significant expense. Instead, she started cooking at home and packing lunches for work. These small changes added up quickly, and she began to see progress. Sarah also found creative ways to save. She used coupons, shopped sales, and even started a small side hustle to bring in extra income. Every little bit helped, and she stayed committed to her plan. Sarah paid off $10,000 in a year. Her dedication and hard work paid off, and she felt a tremendous sense of accomplishment. She was no longer burdened by debt and could focus on building a better future for herself and her child. Or John and Lisa, a young couple with student loans. They were determined to get out of debt and start their lives on a solid financial footing. They downsized their apartment, moving to a smaller, more affordable place. They also picked up extra work. John took on a part-time job and Lisa started freelancing from home. They worked long hours and made sacrifices, but they knew it was worth it for their future. They were debt-free in 2 years. Their hard work and determination paid off, and they were able to start saving for their future goals like buying a home and starting a family. These stories prove it. With a plan and commitment, you can achieve financial freedom. It's not always easy, but the rewards are worth it. Take control of your finances today and start your journey to a debt-free life. You have the power to change your financial future. Section 6. Small changes, big wins, finding extra money. Finding extra money for debt repayment is easier than you think. Start small. Pack your lunch instead of eating out. Cancel unnecessary subscriptions. Sell items you no longer use. These small changes add up. Get creative. Can you pick up a side hustle? Drive for a ride-sharing service? Every dollar counts. Remember, this is temporary. The sacrifices are worth the reward, a life free from debt. Section 7. Take control. Your journey starts today. Debt can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to stay stuck. It's a common struggle that many face, but the good news is that there are ways to overcome it. The first step is acknowledging the problem and deciding to take action. Remember, every small step you take can lead to significant changes over time. A budget is your key to freedom. It might seem daunting at first, but creating a budget is a powerful tool that can help you manage your finances more effectively. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save more. This simple act of planning can open up new possibilities and give you a clearer picture of your financial situation. It empowers you to take control of your money and your future. When you have a budget, you are no longer guessing where your money goes each month. Instead, you have a plan that guides your spending and saving decisions. This control can reduce stress and help you feel more secure about your financial future. Start small, be consistent, and celebrate your wins. It's important to recognize and celebrate the progress you make, no matter how small it may seem. Each step forward is a victory and brings you closer to your financial goals. Consistency is key, and over time these small wins will add up to significant achievements. Imagine the relief of being debt-free. Picture yourself no longer burdened by the weight of debt, free to use your money for things that truly matter to you. This sense of freedom can bring immense relief and open up new opportunities for you and your loved ones. The stress will melt away, and you'll have more money for the things you love. Your journey starts today. By taking control of your finances, you can reduce stress and enjoy more of what life has to offer. Whether it's spending time with family, pursuing hobbies, or simply having peace of mind, financial freedom can enhance your quality of life. Take that first step toward financial peace. You've got this. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. Believe in yourself and your ability to make positive changes. With determination and the right plan, you can achieve financial peace and create a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones.